you're looking for the best all-around portable handy recorder to use as a standalone microphone or as an audio recorder for your microphones, or even connect your professional XLR microphones to your DSLR camera using its preamp, you might want to consider the Zoom H5 handy recorder. We are going to take a closer look at this right now. Hello and welcome to this channel. In this video, we are going to take a look at one of our favorite portable audio recorders, the Zoom H5 handy recorder. We will go through the unboxing of this product and we will review its features. But before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you would get notified when we upload new videos. Let's dive into it. Let's look at the box and see what we should expect from it. The two main features are the interchangeable microphone capsule and two microphone inputs. For each of the microphones and the mic capsule, it has a separate gain control. In total, this device has 4 input and 2 output interfaces. It is important to note that this device supports recording on SD or SDHC cards only up to 32 GB. With 2 AA batteries, it will give you 15 hours of operation time. In the box, there is the microphone capsule, 2 AA batteries, a USB cable, a windscreen foam for the mic capsule, 1 case, and of course the operational manual. Let's have a closer look at this device. You can easily connect any XLR microphone to one of the microphone inputs, or even you can connect a microphone with a 3.5mm jack using a 3.6 adapter. On the left side of the device, you can find the line out interface, headphone output interface, volume controls, DC to USB connection to connect the device to your computer and use it as an external USB microphone, and the on and off button. On the other side is a remote controller interface, the menu button and the menu navigation button, also the SD card input. Let's turn it on. It pops on with the capsule microphone being enabled and ready to record. As there are 2 mics on the capsule, it gives you separate controls to use both of them or only use the left or the right one. If you have a microphone attached to one of the microphone inputs, you need to enable it via pressing the associated microphone input number. If you have 2 microphones attached, you need to enable both numbers. Navigating the menu is simple. You just press the menu button and navigate through the options via scrolling the navigation button up and down. You can also set the gain level for each of the microphones separately. The gain controls are behind bars to avoid accidental gain level change. Also, you can directly play back your recorded audio on the device without any headphones. You can even mount this device directly on a microphone arm or even a camera. Having an interchangeable microphone capsule gives you a good level of flexibility to use different types of microphone capsules for different scenarios. Also, if you don't use it, you can just detach it and use the device by its own. Let's have a quick look at this accessories pack. There is an additional accessories pack that you can get for device as an external purchase, which will give you a remote controller, outdoor windscreen, and AC power adapter to directly plug the device to electricity with no battery. The windscreen looks like a hair wig on the device. It's very funny. The remote controller connects to the device via a cable, which will give you some flexibility to control the device from distance, but a Bluetooth remote controller would have been better.
The Zoom H5 audio recorder is a perfect balance between Zoom H4n and Zoom H6. It covers for some of the missed features in Zoom H4n, like the lack of microphone capsule interchangeability. It also comes with a better price compared to Zoom H6 and almost will give you everything that Zoom H6 has to offer. The big main difference is that Zoom H6 will give you 4 microphone inputs. For our use, only 2 is enough, but if you need more, you need to look at Zoom H6 instead. All considered, this is one of the best all-around handy recorders, which has a good quality and offers enough flexibility for any audio recording scenario. Therefore, I would definitely recommend this device if you do any audio recordings. Whether you want an audio recorder to record your podcast or you want it to be used as part of your gear toolkit in your video production tools. Let me know in the comments below what are your thoughts on this audio recorder, or share your experience from using this audio recorder or any audio recorders that you're using. I will put a link in the description box below to this product and some cheaper alternatives so you can access easily. If you got value out of this video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you would get notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.